Hey everybody, Matt Haviland here with Laguna Tools. Today we are checking out our P25 industrial planer. I want to walk you through some of the features you can find on this machine. The P25 planers are available in 15 horsepower 3-phase and 10 horsepower single phase. Both models feature a 6-row ShearTech 2 cutter head with anti-kickback fingers. The drivetrain is powered by a triple belt and heavy chain drive system. This drive system is going to be adjustable from 1 foot to 30 feet per minute, which you won't find on any of our competitors' machines. The P25 is able to accommodate material up to 25 inches wide, 9 inches tall, all while supporting it on these massive in and out feed tables you're not going to find on any other planer in this class. The P25 also has adjustable table rollers to compensate for snipe. The P25 is going to be controlled by our programmable DRO. This is going to display your target height as well as your current height. To get to our target height, we simply hit program and input your desired height. Press enter. Once we're ready to go, just hit start. With just the simple push of a button, we can switch from imperial to metric. Alternatively, if you need to make a quick adjustment in between passes, we can use the plus or minus button, and here we'll quickly remove 20 thousandths. So these are a few of the key features of our P25 planer. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call at 1-800-234-1976 or check out our website, lagunatools.com. Thanks.